Every time this one event happens, Bitcoin's price goes crazy. And it's happening again soon. There is one event in the crypto world that has predicted every major Bitcoin price explosion. It's called the halving. And understanding it might be the most important thing you learn about crypto this year. Stop scrolling because what's happening in crypto right now could change your next move. This is Crypto Buzz, where we break down what actually matters. No hype, no noise. Let's get straight into it. Here's how it works. New Bitcoin is created by powerful computers solving complex math problems. This process is called mining. As a reward, miners receive Bitcoin for every block they solve. But Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin's creator, built in a rule. Every 210,000 blocks, which happens roughly every 4 years, the reward gets cut in half. That's the halving. In 2012, the reward went from 50 Bitcoin per block down to 25. In 2016, from 25 down to 12.5. In 2020, from 12.5 down to 6.25. And in 2024, it dropped to just 3.125 Bitcoin per block. Why does this matter? Simple economics. Less supply being created means less Bitcoin entering the market. If demand stays the same or increases, prices go up. Look at the history. After the 2012 halving, Bitcoin went from $12 to over $1,000. After 2016, from $650 to nearly $20,000. After 2020, from $8,000 to $69,000. No one can guarantee history will repeat, but the pattern is impossible to ignore. If you haven't positioned yourself before the next halving cycle plays out, you might be watching from the sidelines again. Subscribe so you don't miss what comes next. That's the breakdown. If you're serious about staying ahead in crypto, subscribe to Crypto Buzz right now. But again, I am not a financial advisor. Trade safely, trade smart. See you in the next move. Ciao, guys.